Luxury hotels and limo rides, all paid for by taxpayers. A scathing report from the Chicago Public Schools Inspector General questions millions of dollars spent on travel by city educators. Our Lauren Victory live for us outside CPS headquarters with examples of some of these trips that investigators called excessive. Lauren.
Good morning, Marie. Well, investigators say this all began with a complaint about a $20,000 staff trip to Egypt that was never approved. The CPS Inspector General didn't mince words in his report, calling much of what you're about to hear travel abuse. Some examples: an educator spent $945 a night on a hotel for a Las Vegas conference booked last minute. A professional development trip to South Africa included a wildlife tour that didn't appear to have any educational value, and a principal racked up thousands of dollars in bills going to 7 out-of-state conferences in 2 years. Investigators also found that some people charged CPS for limo rides to the airport. Others would attend conferences in places like Las Vegas or Disney World, but not attend similar events held in Chicago. The Inspector General's team says CPS's review of travel requests focused too much on proper paperwork instead of analyzing if a trip was worth the cost. The report called that CPS travel expense process broken and its bookkeeping deficient. Investigators discovered records were being kept on 7 different databases that couldn't easily be linked. They also found CPS had no written spending limits on international trips and that travel agencies had no budget restrictions. District travel spending more than doubled between 2019 and 2024. And keep in mind that CPS announced earlier this year that it faced a more than $700 million budget hole. Well, a CPS statement released this morning says that the district is committed to fiscal responsibility. That's a direct quote. A travel effect is now in effect for most travel freeze, is now in effect for most employees. And Marie, CPS says it is looking into possible disciplinary action for some of those staffers involved. I'm Lauren Victory reporting live outside CPS headquarters, CBS News Chicago.
Quite the scathing report. Wow, Lauren, thank you for those details.